Hey guys, welcome to another video. HTC today has announced two new devices, the HTC Desier 20 Pro and HTC U20 5G. After months of leaks and rumors regarding these particular devices, they are finally came out, and it is kind of a surprising for many of us that HTC about 1 year ago has stopped making the phones, and they have clearly mentioned that they will not make any kind of a device and mainly focus their attention towards the VR. Today they have announced two new devices, and one of them is going to be a 5G supported device, and that is going to be one of the first ever device which is coming from HTC that is coming with a 5G support inside. Design wise, both the devices are pretty much similar. Both are coming with a punch hole camera cutout, and both are coming with the quad camera setup on the back side with a fingerprint scanner support. And there is going to be only one difference on both of these devices, and that difference is going to be the back design. So guys, in terms of specification, there are some specifications which are different from both of these devices. So if you look at those specifications, the HTC U20 5G is coming with a 6.8 inch of a display with a 32 megapixel of a selfie camera, instead of the Desier 20 is coming with a 6.5 inch of a display with a 25 megapixel of a selfie camera. Backside have quad camera setup in both the devices, and both are coming with the same camera sensor on each of them. While the main camera sensor in both the devices is going to be 48 megapixel, 8 megapixel is going to be an ultra wide camera, 2 megapixel is the macro shooter, and 2 megapixel is the depth sensor camera. Internally, both the devices are coming with a different processor inside the device, and one of them is coming with a 5G support. HTC U20 5G is coming with a Snapdragon 765G support inside, whereas the other is coming with a Snapdragon 665 chipset inside the device. The HTC U20 5G is coming with a memory of 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of internal storage, whereas the HTC Desier 20 is coming with a 6 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of internal storage. Both are coming with a 5000 milliampere for battery, which is going to be a massive one in both the devices, but there is a difference in the charging speed and the charger which are coming inside. The HTC U20 5G is coming with an 18 watt of fast charging support inside with a quick charge 4.0 supported as well, whereas the HTC Desier 20 is coming with a 15 watt of fast charging quick charge 3.0. So guys, overall these two devices are kind of a mid-range category, and we are not expecting these devices to be a massively overpriced devices, because what we know up till now that it is going to be priced around $300 in Taiwan, and there is no much information regarding the whether this device is going to be officially announced internationally or not. We will look and see in coming days whether HTC is going to be planning to announce this device or not. So guys, my personal opinion regarding this particular device is that it is kind of a new device, and considering the fact that it is coming with a $300 of a price tag is not justifiable, because in that price category we have so many other devices which are giving us much better specification than these two devices. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, what you think about this upcoming new HTC device. Thanks for watching this video. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.